Hello and welcome, this is Sohaib here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the exact site for Damak Island. Basically this is going to be a site visit or maybe my first site visit as well. So right here onto my left side you can see this is the Damak Sun City plot. Onto my back side we have crossed Cherry Woods area, we have crossed this Mira Oasis by Emaar. So this right next plot is with Damak Islands right now, which was launched earlier this year or maybe 8 months ago. But for now we are talking about Damak Island phase 2. This is basically underdeveloped area, construction site going around. But this video is just to give you guys an idea. I'm also going to be attaching the Google links as well for you to have a clear idea where exactly I am right now. So this is a construction site going around for Damak Islands. We are talking about the 4 and 5 bedroom townhouses. Those are going to be launched I do think so at the last week of this month, and a price point starting from around about 2.75 million dirhams for a 4 bedroom townhouse, and 5 bedroom townhouses are going to be starting from 3.7 to 3.8 million dirhams. So this video is just a raw video just for you guys to have an idea how is it gonna be and where is it gonna be exactly. I'm also gonna be attaching exact location as well. Right now we are crossing this Mira Oasis, which is a ready community by Emaar, and it is pretty much operational onto my right side, but this left side of a plot is already with Damak Island phase 1 and phase 2 as well. So now most of the communities are along this Emirates Road. As you can see onto my left side we have Emirates Road, and like even if we talk about Arabia Ranches or even Aldar is coming up with their new communities, we have Acres by Miras. So all of the communities are along this Emirates Road right now. And even though Damak Island is right in the middle, and even if we talk about the prices and the payment plan as well, Damak definitely stands out. We're talking about a 75-25 payment plan where 20% you are paying as a down payment, like 75% you have to pay during construction, and remaining 25% you can pay at the time of handover. Other than this, if we talk about the sizes and the prices, for a 4 bedroom townhouse it is going to be starting from 2.75 million dirhams, and the average size for a 4 bedroom townhouse will be around 2208 square feet, and for a 5 bedroom townhouse it is going to be starting from 3.7 million dirhams with an average size of around 3150 square feet. We are also coming up with twin villas as well, 5 bedroom twin villas, and those are going to be starting from 3450 square feet with a price point that is starting from 4.5 million dirhams, and it goes all the way to 5 million dirhams. Definitely it depends what type of view and what type of layouts you are getting. So I'm at the construction site for Damak Islands, and as you can see we have Emirates Road running by, and for now the connectivity is through Cherry Woods area. This right next plot is with Damak Sun City, and this left community is with Mira Oasis, which is a developed community by Emaar. Now if we talk about the reputation of the developer, Damak has a history of building communities in the middle of a desert. They have already completed communities like Damak Hills 2, Damak Hills 1, which are in the middle of a desert. We're talking about a 55 million square feet of a community, which is like 30,000 residents are living in this community. Right now Damak Island is definitely a good opportunity just because of these new communities coming in, and just because of the price point. It is starting from 2.7 million dirhams for a 4 bedroom townhouse, even though in Damak Island phase 1 it was starting from about like 2.2 million dirhams in the last 9 to 10 months ago. For now we are talking about a price point that is starting 2.7 million dirhams. So people have gained appreciation with Damak right now. For now, as you can see, we have this raw land all over the place, but definitely after the development we are talking about a 3 or 4 years of a period of a time, these communities are going to be developed. As this community, which is Mira Oasis by Emaar, it is a developed community, and it was launched like 5 or 6 years back, and people have gained a lot of appreciation as well. This plot right here is with Damak Sun City, which is already sold out, but for now we are talking about a opportunity for townhouses and villas specifically. You are getting an affordable price, you are getting with the payment plan as well. So that's it for now. Even if you need to ask anything about Damak Islands or even Damak Sun City, any of the communities with Damak, you can just send me a WhatsApp. I'm always up. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.